Ты тоже чувствуешь? Правда, Игорь?
Нет, я чувствую некую неловкость.
Against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why it hurts me every time I see you. Realize how much I need you.
Ты обманщик, Дагур! Я тебя ненавижу!
I hate you